I think one of the biggest foundational things in this is it is just a way to empower girls, to make them feel like they can be successful in the coding world. We hear a lot about how this is a male-dominated field, and so it's giving that initial exposure to girls that maybe they wouldn't even be brave enough to try on their own because they've not seen other females in this capacity before. So it's allowing them to have that exposure, gain interest in it, and then just grow their knowledge in it, while just giving them some other foundational skills while we're at it.
Coding is like telling something what to do and how to do it. If you're programming a robot, you could say move forward 3 steps, then turn left and step forward 1 step. And that would be coding. And we always read a chapter of a book before we start to get some ideas on what we could build. And our previous game was programming a robot to do something that would help like a normal person's life.
I really like it. You get to go on this program called Scratch, and we get to code and design new things. Coding is just all about having fun and learning new things and creating new things.
It's really fun to code. It can be really challenging or difficult. And it takes a lot of patience, but it's a lot of fun. Like being able to code and make things actually move on a computer. It can be. We've done games and trying to make things change colors. It's been fun.
It's been really exciting to see these girls just take off with something that I came into with very little knowledge of, and I think that some of them might have like a baseline of understanding of what coding was, and a lot of these girls will take the things that we're learning in class and then they go home and then they'll spend hours doing this at home. So that tells me a lot about their interest level, their engagement level, and it really excites me because it lets me see that they can be the coders that we are looking to create with this program. These girls are amazing. I mean, I really can't say enough about this group of girls. You know, we've got 2 different groups on Monday and Tuesday, and as much as I wanted to come in and teach them, they have taught me so much about just, you know, the sky's the limit for females, for elementary school age kids. You know, I think we kind of come into things with a preconceived notion of what can be done, and I like to see them just kind of blow the lid off of that every single time.